Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. In today's video, join me as we unbox the December subscription box from 100% Pure. Let's see what's inside. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli. I am a mom of two precious girls, and I am on a mission to make it easy to find clean products that you really love. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, picture this. A box was just delivered to your front porch full of clean surprises. You rush to find your scissors because you cannot wait to see what is inside. As you are rummaging through the packing peanuts, you get so excited knowing that no matter what is in your box, you know that it will be clean and a safer choice for your body and your health. That is what you can expect with the monthly subscription boxes with 100% Pure. And today I'm going to be unboxing the largest of the three sizes of boxes available, so let's go grab it. Okay, I have my December box here. I don't even know if the whole box is going to fit in this shot. It is really, really large. So there are actually three different subscription box sizes that you can choose at 100% Pure. There is a small box, which is $39. And no matter what, it's going to contain at least $100 worth of products every month. So $39 for over $100 worth of products. That's a small box. There is a medium box that is $69, and it will contain at least $200 worth of products every month. And then today I'm going to be unboxing the large box, and this is $159, but it contains over $500 worth of products. It's an amazing, amazing deal. And if you are super new to clean products, clean beauty, and it's a little bit overwhelming, you're really not sure where to even start with swapping of your products, this is a fabulous way to switch over because you're getting so many fabulous products at a really, really great value. Okay, I don't know about you, but I love surprises and I love not knowing what's going to be inside of my box. So this is super, super fun. Let's go ahead and dive right in. There are 15 products. So let's make sure we find all of them in here. And this specific box, the December 2023 box, is actually valued at $520 worth of products. That's amazing. Okay, let's dig right in. All right, the first one I found, this is the Grow More conditioner. And it is like a full-size product here, you guys. This is not like tiny little, samples. Like this is full-size product. So we got a conditioner. Okay, let's see what else we got. I'm gonna put them right over here so we can count to make sure I've found them all. Okay, well here is the matching product. The Grow More shampoo. Let's see if I can get this packaging off here. Okay, perfect. The Grow More shampoo. So we have the shampoo and conditioner. Cannot wait to try those. Let's see what else we got. Oh, this has to do with hair as well. I actually have this product and really like it. This is called the Rosemary Grow Serum. So I see a theme here. We've got our shampoo, our conditioner, and now we have our Grow Serum. And I believe there is another hair product in here if I can find it real quick. Is this it? Yes, this is the Pro Vitamin B5 Smoothing Hair Serum. I also have and love this product here. Okay, so we've got our hair taken care of for sure. Shampoo, conditioner, serum, and Grow Serum. Okay, let's see. This one looks really amazing. Look at how big this is, you guys. It's like taller than my head. Okay, the Lavender Sea Therapy Bath. I have not seen this product yet. I'm reading the back. It says, deeply relaxing bath salts made with pure crystallized kelp to replenish, nourish, and detoxify. infused with therapeutic French lavender to soothe and calm. Okay, I cannot wait to give this one a try. It's in this nice glass container here. Really, really lovely. Okay, that's at the top of my list to want to go try. All right, I think I saw one that was similar to that, if I can find it in here. Yep, here it is. Not one, but two bath soaks. Let's see what this one says. Invigorating bath salts made with pure crystallized sea kelp infused with peppermint and eucalyptus to refresh, stimulate circulation, and ease congestion. Okay, this probably would be a fabulous product to have, during cold and flu season to help with that congestion. So awesome. I cannot wait to try that one as well. All right, let's keep digging, you guys. All right, here is another body product. This is the French Lavender Shower Gel. Let's see what this one says. Richly foaming, hydrating shower gel refreshes and soothes while gently cleansing your body. Therapeutic herbs, rose hydrosol, green tea, and seaweed nourish for healthier skin. Okay, awesome. And I bet you this one smells amazing. I don't know if I can bust into this real quickly. Probably not. I can smell some of that lavender. Super calming. All right, let's keep going. I think I have another, I have another shower gel, and this one is the eucalyptus one to go along with the other sea bath. Okay, so the eucalyptus shower gel, I'm assuming it is similar. Richly foaming shower gel lifts away dirt, oil, and impurities while rehydrating thirsty skin with coconut oil, soothing aloe, and mineral-rich red algae. That sounds amazing. And I mean, these containers are so generous. These are so large. This product is going to last a really long time. Okay, we are at 8. All right, let's keep going. All right, we have the French Lavender Nourishing Body Cream. Okay, so we've had our bath soak and lavender, we've had our shower gel, and now we have body cream. Luxurious, creamy body lotion enriched with potent anti-aging vitamins, yes please, energizing green coffee and brightening vitamin C for soft, youthful, supple skin. Amazing. Love it. Okay, let's see what else we got. I see some more lavender stuff here. We have the French Lavender Hand Buttercream. So this one was our body lotion, and now we have the hand lotion. This will be perfect just to have around, especially during the dry winter months. Non-greasy hand cream made with rich cocoa, avocado, and shea butters, fortified with anti-aging vitamins and superfruit antioxidants for soft, supple skin. And this is just the perfect size to have around. Throw in your bag, maybe your diaper bag if you're still in that season of life. Okay, another lavender product here. We have the French Lavender Whipped Body Butter. Okay, so this is probably going to be really great for those really dry patches. Let's see, it doesn't have a description on this one. Let's see if I can smell it. I can smell some of that lavender coming through. It smells really, really nice. Okay, lots of fabulous body products. Let's see what else we have. I want to see if I can stick to the same body theme if there is anything else. And if not, we will move on to, it looks like we got some skincare today as well. Okay. Let's move on to skincare. They have put the vitamin C serum in this box, which is fabulous. It says it is stable and potent, and it also says it is lightweight, stabilized vitamin C. It helps to firm and brighten skin tone while promoting collagen production and deeply hydrating skin with soothing aloe. Cannot wait to give this one a try. As I'm trying these products, the ones that I haven't yet tried, I will go ahead and go back into the description in the comments and make sure I share my thoughts on all of these different products. Okay, we have argan oil. And let's see what this one looks like. I don't think I've ever tried this. Oops, there we go. I don't think I've tried this one either. Let's see what it says. 100% pure argan oil is rich in vitamin E, phenols, carotenes, squalane, and essential fatty acids to deeply moisturize, nourish, and soften. Okay, that's gonna be amazing for our skin, especially during these dry winter months. So that's exciting to try. And then it looks like I have a Bright Eyes Depuff and Brighten Eye Mask. So I think this is a single serve eye mask. I have not yet tried their eye masks either. It has, can't read it, made with cooling cucumber and natural caffeine to depuff the eye area. That is amazing. Yes, it says you leave them on for 20 minutes and then you can massage the excess moisture into your skin. I don't know about you, but I think we could all use a little bit of brightening around our eyes. I think I had one more thing in here, but it was little, so I'm gonna have to dig for just a second. I might have to dump. I believe I saw a little lip balm in here. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep, we're just missing the lip gloss. All right, let me dump and I'll be right back. I found it. I did have to dump my entire box over here on the floor just to make sure that I didn't miss anything else either. So yes, this is the final product and it is the Organic Mint Lip Balm. And again, this is gonna be perfect for this season and the dry winter months as they are coming and as they are here. So I love that this curated set has a lot of hydrating products, which are really kind of specific to this season. So there we have it, 15 really fabulous products, $520 worth for only $159. So what you can do is if you would like to subscribe to these monthly boxes, you can choose the size that you would like. Subscribe, you'll get your first box, and then you will continue to receive boxes every month. They're different every month. They're full of all kinds of fabulous goodies, and then you can cancel at any time. One of the thoughts that I was thinking of whenever I was unboxing this, and I was thinking, how perfect would this be for a teen who is just really into all things lotions and beauty. This is a really great way to help them grow their beauty collection using safe and clean products. Gives them a nice surprise to look forward to every month, and then you don't have to worry about what is going on their bodies. So I think that would be a great way to utilize the subscription boxes. And then of course, for anybody that you know that just loves surprises, this would make a fabulous, fabulous gift for those people. So yourself included for sure. All right, if you would like to subscribe to a subscription box, I do have the link in the description for each one of the different subscription sizes, so be sure to check that out. And I will be back in the comments to share which of these products were my favorites, how I liked all of them, and I hope that this unboxing was fun and helpful for you. Bye.